Hello. In this problem, charges were distributed in and around a cube. The side of the cube is A. Okay, so we will have to go through the details in the question. I think the question is looking at the electric flux through the cubical surface. So let's understand the question here. Okay, so you have a disk of radius A by 2. Okay, so this is the disk of radius a by it is a by 4. The charge is 6c, so it is placed in the xy plane. So the diagram shows the xy plane, and the center of the disk is at minus a by 2. Okay. And okay, so you have a rod placed along the x-axis, and then there are 2 point charges placed, one inside and one outside. Okay, so what do we know about electric flux? Through a closed surface, the electric flux depends only on the charge inside the closed surface. So we just have to get the charge enclosed, and then if you divide by epsilon naught, we get the electric flux. Okay. Now this looks like a square, but z-axis is out of the board, and then you have a cube. So inside the cube, we have half of the disk. There is a point charge, and you have let's say, what is the length of the rod? The length of the rod is a, so it goes from a by 4 to 5a by 4. So the length of the rod is a, and then it starts where? Okay, so let's see where it starts. X-axis, x is equal to a by 4, so that means a by 4 and then a. So that means 1/4 of the rod is inside the, okay, so that's 1/4. 1/4 of the rod is inside the cube. Okay, so let's look at the Q enclosed. So half of the disk is inside. So the total charge of the disk is 6c. So that means there will be 3c plus 3c. Okay, and 1/4 of the rod is inside. So 8c is the charge of the rod. 1/4 will be 2c. Okay, and then the point charge which is placed, there are 2 point charges, minus 7c and 3c. 3c is clearly outside. Okay, so if you look at the coordinates, minus 3a by 4 and 3a by 4, this is the coordinate. So minus 7c is inside. Okay, so minus 7c. The charge inside the Gaussian surface is clearly minus 2c. Okay, so if you substitute here, it should be minus 2c by epsilon naught. So the answer should be A.